My name is Mrs. Oludipe Odubolanle Oluremi. I am your mathematics teacher for this session, and the topic to be treated is Variation Part 2, Lesson Objective. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to 1. Define joint and partial variations. 2. Solve problems involving joint and partial variations. 3. Apply variations to physical laws and real-life solution. Enjoy the lesson. Variation. Recall that variation is a term that refers to the relationship between two or more quantities in which a change in one quantity results in a change in the other or others. A quantity in the relationship which never changes in value is called a constant of variation. In the study of variation part 1, we studied direct and indirect or inverse variations. Now, we shall treat joint and partial variations. Joint variation. Joint variation involves more than two variables. In most cases, it is a combination of direct and inverse variation of two or more variables. Example 1. WASSCE 2011 question 13a. P varies directly as Q and inversely as the square of R if P is equal to 1 when Q is equal to 8 and R is equal to 2. Find the value of Q when P is equal to 3 and R is equal to 5. Solution. P varies directly as Q and inversely as the square of R. P is equal to K times Q times 1 all over R square, where K is equal to constant. P is equal to KQ all over R square, equation 1. When P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 8 and R is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 is equal to K times 8 all over 2 square. Cross multiply the equation. 2 square times 1 is equal to 8K. 4 is equal to 8K. Divide both sides by 8. 4 over 8 is equal to 8K over 8. 1 over 2 is equal to K. Substitute 1 over 2 for K in equation 1. Therefore, P is equal to Q all over 2R square is the relation. From above, Q is equal to P 2P R square. When P is equal to 3, R is equal to 5. Q is equal to unknown. Q is equal to 2 times 3 times 5 square. Therefore, Q is equal to 150. Example 2. WASSCE 2005 question 6c. X, Y, and Z are related such that X varies directly as the cube of Y and inversely as the square of Z. If X is equal to 108 when Y is equal to 3 and Z is equal to 4, find Z when X is equal to 4000 and Y is equal to 10. Let's go on a short break.